This is your SVS sir. So today's class we are going to discuss van der Waals equation. One of the important concept 2018, 2013, 2012. So based on this question has come. So van der Waals equation. What is van der Waals equation? So before watching this video, please go through the real gas video. From that you will get more and more clarity. So here ideal gas equation we know PV equal to nRT, but after correction of the pressure and volume we introduced van der Waals equation, that is P plus an square by v square v minus nb equal to nRT. Here an square by v square, this represents pressure correction. This represents pressure correction. Whereas nb represents volume correction. Volume correction. Whereas A comma B both are constants. A comma B both are constants. So we'll discuss very clearly what is A, what is B. But what is the difference between a real gas and what is the difference between a real gas and ideal gas, we are going to discuss. In the case of real gases, always we considered these are rigid spheres. Rigid spheres. So they have volume. In the case of ideal gas, they are point masses. Point masses. So volume is neglected. Volume is neglected. So therefore everybody listen here. In van der Waals equation, we are going to see volume correction as well as pressure correction. So in real gases, attractions are there as well as volume also we have to consider. Right? Now concentrate volume correction. So volume correction is nothing but when you take real gases, these are rigid spheres. Therefore definitely they are occupying some volume, some space. So therefore the actual volume equal to volume of the container minus volume of the molecule. So therefore volume of the gas equal to volume of the container minus B. B is nothing but volume of the molecule. So we are taking only for n moles. So for n moles, V gas equal to V minus NB. And there is very important point. What is B? So B is called excluded volume. Very important. Excluded or co-volume. Excluded volume or co-volume. So V gas equal to volume of the gas equal to V minus NB will take now. This point you need to remember, volume correction. What are the units of B? NB equal to V, B equal to V by N. So volume is nothing but liter and N is nothing but number of moles, liter per mole. Liter per mole. So this is very important. So this we have to remember, liter per mole. So V gas equal to V minus NB. What is the significance? What is the significance of B is very important for competitive exam. So B directly proportional to the size of the molecule. B directly proportional to size of the molecule. So for example, question is there, compare B for fluorine and chlorine, both are gases. So size is more for chlorine. B is more for chlorine. For example, if you take noble gases, helium to xenon, molecular weight will increase, size will increase, B also will increase. Here you take, this is 1 carbon methane, 2 carbons ethane, 3 carbons propane. With increasing number of carbon atoms, molecular weight will increase, size also will increase. So carbon dioxide is a polar molecule, whereas oxygen, helium, hydrogen, non-polar molecules. So molecular weight more for carbon dioxide. That is the reason B is more for carbon dioxide. So very, very important, volume correction. Volume of the gas equal to V minus NB. B is called excluded volume or co-volume. B directly proportional to size of the molecule. Units important, liter per mole. Size is more, B is more. Very, very important. Next one, let us take B. B is very, very important. B is nothing but, it is 4 times the size of the molecule. Therefore, B equal to, this is very important for the calculation part. So generally in NEET we don't get question, but in mains and advanced level we'll get questions. So B equal to 4 into Avogadro number into volume of the molecule. Because we considered molecules are real gases are rigid spheres, that is the reason volume of the molecule we taken 4 by 3 pi r cube. From this equation also, B directly proportional to R. So based on this, questions are possible. So calculate the radius of helium. If its van der Waals constant B is 24 ml per mole, such question is given, then how to calculate? So we know the formula, B equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into Avogadro number. Is asking us to calculate radius. So radius equal to, radius I want 3b by 4 into 416 pi into Avogadro number. So cube is there, that is the reason I am writing 1 by 3. When you use this formula and substitute everything, we'll get answer this much. Sometimes same question they will ask us to calculate diameter. Same question they will ask us to calculate diameter. So diameter equal to 2r. Therefore we'll get the answer 2.67 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters will get. So that you have to careful with the question. Next question you see, if the volume of the one molecule of a gas, if V is the volume of one molecule of a gas, then B is, N is a Avogadro number. So that is nothing but B equal to 4 into Avogadro number into V. V is the volume of one molecule of a gas, then B is, he was asking B equal to 4 into Avogadro number into volume. So like this questions will be asked. And pressure correction, volume correction completed. Second one is pressure correction, and also constant A we are going to discuss. Very, very important, everybody listen here. First I am taking ideal gas. In the case of ideal gas, gas molecules are, we are taking as point masses, very, very small molecules. And there is no force of attraction. Therefore, they are going to collide on the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by the gas is due to the collisions of gas molecules on walls of the container. Whereas in the case of real gases, force of attraction will exist. There is a force of attraction. For example, let us take two molecules. The first one is A, second one is B. So there is an attraction between A and B. So this A is going to collide on the walls of the container. Because of force of attraction among the gas molecules, its velocity, its speed will be decreased. So number of collisions will decrease, pressure will decrease. That is the reason, very important here, the pressure of ideal gas is greater than pressure of real gas. In the case of ideal gas, no force of attraction, more collisions, more pressure. In the case of real gas, force of attraction exists, number of collisions decreases, pressure of the gas decreases. Therefore, pressure of the gas equal to pressure of the real gas plus attractions. A into n square by V square. A is called Van der Waals constant. So what is A here? A represents force of attractions. A is nothing but force of attraction. So this is the question asked in 2018. A is force of attraction. So units of A, if you see units of A, pressure is atmospheres, A I want, N is number of moles, and volume is nothing but liters. Let us take liter square. So therefore A equal to atmosphere liter square per mole square, very important. So what you have to remember, sir? You have to remember pressure of the gas equal to P real plus AN square by V square. And what is A? A is nothing but force of attraction. What are the units? Atmosphere liter square per mole square. Now let us discuss what is the significance of A. The significance of A, if you consider, first important point, A directly proportional to force of attraction. A increases with increasing attraction. A directly proportional to critical temperature. A directly proportional to liquefaction. A directly proportional to molecular weight. A directly proportional to solubility. A increases, attractions increases, critical temperature increases, liquefaction increases. When attractions A increases, molecular weight increases, solubility also increases. Polar molecules having more A compared with non-polar molecules. In the case of polar molecules, we have dipole attractions like hydrogen bond, etc. So here more attractions. In the case of non-polar molecules, we have weak attractions. Therefore, A is more for polar molecules. For example, compare A for the following. Fluorine, chlorine both are gases. Bromine is liquid nonmetal. Iodine is solid. Fluorine to chlorine, chlorine to bromine, bromine to iodine. A will increase. Why A will increase? Attractions will increase. Molecular weight will increase. So when molecular weight increasing, attractions increasing, A is increasing. So therefore A is highest for iodine. Among carbon dioxide and oxygen, ammonia, nitrogen, if you take, ammonia having more A compared with carbon dioxide, compared with oxygen, compared with nitrogen. So if you take molecular mass 17, this is 44, this is 32, this is 28. But in the case of ammonia, dipole attractions are strong, hydrogen bond is there, so therefore A is more. Very important example. Whereas this you have to remember, sulfur dioxide having more A Next ammonia. So next very important, H2S, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, helium. So this you have to remember, ma. Very important. So next one is, if you observe very clearly, among water, carbon dioxide, argon, water will be more comparison with carbon dioxide and argon. What is the reason? In the case of water, we have hydrogen bond. So dipole attractions are there. So that is the reason A will increase. Attractions increases, A also increases. So we can liquefy. So this is about the significance of A. Next one is, we are going to discuss one important point, deviation of real gases from ideal behavior. This is very important for competitive exam. What you have to remember in the examination, at very low pressure, Z equal to 1. Z equal to 1 is nothing but ideal behavior. At low pressure as well as moderate pressure, at low pressure or moderate pressure, Z is negative deviation. Negative deviation meaning is very important. Negative deviation meaning is attraction will increase. Attractions increasing. Attractions increasing meaning is liquefaction is easy. Liquefaction is easy. So easily we can compress. At high pressure you need to remember, the derivation part is not required, but I was explained. You can see the notes. So at high pressure, Z equal to 1 plus Pb by RT, positive deviation. Positive deviation meaning is repulsion forces will dominate. Repulsions are increasing means compression is difficult. Compression difficult. At very low pressure, Z equal to 1, ideal behavior. At a low pressure or a moderate pressure, negative deviation. At high pressure, Z equal to 1 plus Pb by RT, that is positive deviation. Very important. So if one important point you have to remember, high temperature, low pressure, real gas acting like a ideal gas. Real gas acting like a ideal gas. This point you need to remember. So for example, one question I am going to discuss now. So here question is correct order of boiling point of oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia and methane he was asking. So for them, A is given, van der Waals constant A are given 1.360, 1.390, 4.170, 2.253 per liter square atmosphere per mole. So like this given. So we know already, we discussed A increases, attractions will increase, molecular weight increases, easily we can convert into liquid, so therefore boiling point also increases. First one is oxygen, second one is nitrogen, third one is ammonia, fourth one is methane. So easily we can say A is more, attractions more, boiling point is more. So therefore answer is going to be ammonia is greater than methane and nitrogen and oxygen. This is order of boiling point. So like this we have to answer the questions, very very important. Similarly, one question is there, maximum deviation from ideal gas is expected. The options are, first one is nitrogen, second one is methane, third one is ammonia, fourth one is hydrogen. So maximum deviation from ideal gas is expected for which one? So this is one of the important question. This question is asked NEET 2013. So please comment your answer in WhatsApp in the comment box. So this is today's class. Everybody go through the NCERT. Be thorough with the NCERT. That is more than enough